model, 69 plate Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 fridge van Startline 2.0 TDI MOTED VAT inclusive bargain. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 143993. MOT, the 12th of November 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSEU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly. Fridge is fully working, VAT inclusive bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, fridge, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,